Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Victor and I've been trading for a while. I recently got a FundedNext prop firm challenge account, a $5,000 account, and that was because I just wanted to. I've been trading for a while though, but I just wanted to test my skills, see how I can raise that account to a very reasonable level, see how if I could pass the challenge. And it's been adventurous for me because I started this account about 3 weeks ago, and currently I'm 4% up. I never thought that I would be interested in doing a YouTube video about this or documenting the trades. I just wanted to trade, yeah, but seeing coming on YouTube and seeing a lot of people complaining about how they are unable to pass these challenges and how they've been stuck somewhere. Maybe they pass the phase one and fail the phase two. And I'm like, well, okay, let me come on YouTube and share what I do and how I've been able to grow this account within the past couple of weeks. So normally some people finish their challenge in maybe a week or two. Yeah, but depends on how you approach the market and your strategy. Yeah, for me, I trade just 1% of the account on I risk 1% of the account per trade, and I have a maximum of two trades per day, most likely two trades per day, maybe on a rare occasion, maybe up to three, but 2 days, two trades per day. And it's been going well so far. On some days I may not see a setup. For instance, on Monday I didn't see a setup, but yesterday I did. One went in profit and the other hit stop loss. So I'm just still around my 4% profit level, and I would be looking to move this to 8% as quickly as possible, which is the level that I need to cross the challenge. Um, I'm risking 1%. All I need is just two, because I take a 1 to 2 as my risk to reward. All I need is just two correct setups, and I would cross that challenge. So if you want to see how I do this, how I if you just want to follow me on my journey, then feel free to subscribe and um, watch my coming videos.
All right, guys. So this is my account, and I got this account um 3 weeks ago. As you can see, it says 17 trading days, meaning that it's been on for a little more than three um weekdays. Yeah, and this is a 5K account, phase one challenge, and so far you can see my dashboard. I have a balance of 5373, and that's after the trade I just closed some minutes ago. And this is 7.46% up, so just barely 1%, and um I would be um I will be out of phase one. So it's that's just it. Yeah. So remember I said that I want to show you how I am able to pass this challenge and my thought process, how I go about everything. And this is Euro USD, but the first couple of trades I took this week were on Pound NZD and Euro AED. So I'll just quickly open Euro AED now. Okay, so for Euro AED, this was the first trade I took, and this was on Monday evening. Um, oh sorry, Tuesday. No, it was on Monday evening to be precise, because this is where the trade started. And I took it out after this pin bar that you see right here. I hope you can see. Let me expand the chart a bit. So I took it after this green pin bar here, and this pin bar was after this heavy move to the downside. Sorry, I have a bit of cold. So this green bar was after this heavy move to the upside, and you can see that there is a trend here with this higher highs and higher lows formation, and this was under higher high right here, and right here I already suspected that this was a lower low it was going to form, and so I entered this trade after this pin bar and set my stop loss a bit below this level. I didn't want to come all the way down here because then it will reduce the profit target. Okay, so and this normally I don't leave my trades overnight, but looking at the fact that this opportunity presented itself late in the evening, I just had to let this run overnight, and you can see it came pretty close to hitting my stop loss before reversing and then going in my direction. And so around this was on Tuesday, and it was still in my direction here, and then it started pulling back. And I was like, okay, so since it's pulling back, let me add one more position somewhere around here so that I can now have two positions going in my direction and just scaling in, basically scaling in on the current position, and which I did. But unfortunately, and while I added this new position, I moved my entry here to my stop loss to break even here, so I'll be risk free on this trade, and then the new risk would now be applied to this current trade. And so it's as you can see, it was unfortunate that it hit my break even on this previous trade and hit my stop loss on this new trade, and in the end, it went in my direction. So you can imagine how what I would have gained from these two trades if these unfortunate incidents didn't happen. For me, I'll call this a stop hunt because um, I'll call it a stop hunt because if you'd notice, it was just 1 week that took me out. If this week didn't take me out, then definitely this um, trade would have yielded up to a 4 hour profit, two from this and two from this. And then okay, so those were the two I took for yesterday here. Then for yeah, Tuesday and Wednesday, that's sorry for Monday evening and Tuesday, yeah. And then for pound NZD, I took one here too. So remember, I took one loss from Euro AUD from that position I tried to scale in. Yeah. So but um for pound NZD, I took a position here. You can see almost the same thing to the higher highs and higher lows formation. So I entered my trade here, and okay, I just drew this today after this huge move. But normally, initially, this was where my trade closed yesterday because I was able to close this in a one to one, slightly above one to one profit. Yeah. So yes, this is it. So this was very close because normally I don't leave my trades overnight, and if I had done left this one overnight, you see that this huge wick came down almost to my stop loss before going to TP. So I don't want to have to sleep and be thinking about trades that are open. So I closed this at a 1 to 1.3 risk to reward, which is not bad. It actually helped me recover from the loss from UAE. So I closed yesterday at a little break even. And obviously, this morning when I woke up, you can see the huge move that came out of that happened. I know there was NZD CPI yesterday night, but after which you can see the huge move that happened. This would have been a 1 to 5 if I had not closed this premature. Well, not prematurely. I just had to close it. If I had not closed it, it would have been a 1 to 5. But I'm still okay um with the amount it gave me. Then today, I missed a couple of trades today. Okay, so I missed one trade today, and it was actually still on UAD. You know, this bullish trend is still intact. And remember, I just told you about how these two trades went, and I had this one today. I wanted to take this one. I woke up around after 8 today, and by then this was already forming. This was already forming. This level was already forming, and I just hesitated a little bit because I wanted to see price move a bit down into drawdown again. Not drawdown. I wanted to see price just come down a bit before going up so I could get maybe a better risk to reward somewhere around here. But unfortunately, this was if I had taken this as I saw it, this was where I would have taken it and I would still have made my 1 to 2 comfortably. But I missed it and there's no problem there. A bit more to come, and even if we could have got a 1 to 3 return right here too. So, but it's okay. I missed this trade, and It's fine. However, I saw another opportunity later today in the evening on Euro USD, and I got into that right at the nick of time. Yeah, right on time. So this is it. And when I saw this trade, it was somewhere around here. I just finished forming these double tops, this reversal pattern, and it was also on a descending trend line, as you can see, very neat. And so I got into this trade immediately. This red candle formed here. Yeah, and then it went back up a bit to this level. And when it got back here, I entered another position because I just knew, I just had that strong feeling that this would um be a good sell. So I entered another position here and had my stop loss in the same level. And then I took the both of them right down here. I just recently got out of the trade before filming this video. I actually wanted to get out of the trade live on this while shooting this video, but I just didn't want to take this. Can see now this big green candle for me. I didn't want to take this risk, so I closed somewhere around here. Both of them, all the trades I took on Euro USD, I closed somewhere around here. Yeah, so as you can see that gave me I think it was one to in a total of 1 to 3 point something risk to reward for both entries. So that's my these are the trades I've taken so far this week. Now coming on to MT4, my MT4 account. This is you can see the balance 5373. Can probably cross match it with what we have here. Okay. Oh, this is I need to refresh this page. I'll be back here. Yeah, but you can see my balance is 5373.08. And this is my trade history. Remember I just talked about the trades I took. And oh, I just talked about the trades I took. And here you can see them. Yeah, so these are the trades for that I took this evening. And the areas that I told you about the sell. So the first, my main trade ended with $91, and the other two I took ended with 37.37. And this is the loss I took on UAD yesterday. This is the pound NZD I talked about that got me out at break even. This I will break even to help me cushion the effect of this loss. Yeah, so this is just the history of my account since I started trading. You notice that recently my blue profits has been my blue result has been more than the red. The first week was a bit tough, but this week and last week was quite good. So this is the history on my account. All right, so you can see the balance here is 5373.08. I'll go to my funded next account, and you will find out that the balance here too is 5373.08. So it's the same account. And here are the history of the trades here too. And this is the areas that I sold today that I just told you about. Sorry about that. 36.7, 37.89 minus 50, the loss I took yesterday on Euro AD, pound NZD 58. You see them here. And then more importantly, my growth curve. So you can see it's my equity curve. Yeah. So you can see it started at 5,000 on September 19th, which is 3 weeks ago. Mm, and then okay, stayed there for a while, then went in drawdown a bit, moved up to 200, went back to drawdown, and then since then, this week and last week has been great. So you can see the positive spike to the upside. Yeah, so and these are my most traded pairs. It's you can see them. I don't think there is anything much more to show here. On detailed stats, yeah, the balance equity and the balance is there. Average winning trade. I don't know if this is any if this data is important for you to see, for you to view, but that's my funded next account, and it's been wonderful. It's been great. I can't really wait to pass um this phase one challenge by tomorrow, and if I pass it by tomorrow, definitely I'll create another video showing you that I have passed it and I've received my phase 2 account ready to go on all out there too. Alright, so that's that's it. I just wanted to, just like I've been saying since the beginning of this video, I just wanted to put my trades out there to encourage those of you that are still struggling to succeed in this um, business. If you are still struggling to pass a challenge account, then just follow me and you would see how I do it. You would learn, get some tips from me as the days goes by. I would be giving out some tips on how I am able to grow my account to this level where you can see them, where you can see it. All right, so this is it. I am 7.46% up, looking to go 8% up by tomorrow. All right, I'm sure you enjoyed this video. Subscribe for more. Bye.